Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the focus and the directrix of the parabola y squared equals 12x, and then I'm going to graph it. So this is going to be centered at the origin. So that's what we're doing in the first section, and then we translate it in the second section. I'm sure you guys are expert on that now, as we did with ellipses, hyperbolas, and now we're going to do parabolas. So for this one, since my y is squared, normally when my x is squared, we would go up or down. So in this instance, since my y is squared, we will go left or right. Okay, so we know that the general format is going to be y squared equals 4px. If I find my p, this will tell me where the focus is. I know my vertex is right there at 0, 0, so we're going to start there. And then my focus, I need to figure out what my 4p is. Well, I know that 12 is in the section of 4p, so I'm just going to go ahead and set 12 equals 4p. I'm going to just solve for p, 12 over 4. So I get my p equals 3. So therefore, my focus is going to be at 3, 0. Okay, then my directrix is going to be at x equals negative p. In this case, it's negative 3. And it's going to be here. Okay, right there. And then my parabola will open up in this direction. So just to go ahead and see if we can get another point here, what I like to do is I like to plug in something for x, but since we're squaring, so we have 12 times something equals y squared, I'm going to look for a perfect square that is also a multiple of 12. So in other words, I kind of knew in my head that 36, that 3 times 12 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and let my x equal 3. Then when I plug it in, y squared equals 12 times 3. So my y squared equals 36. And then my y would equal plus or minus 6. So those are 2 points that would be symmetrical here. So when my y is 3, I would be up 6. So this is not quite to scale. So let's go ahead and erase my parabola without erasing my graph. All right, sorry about that. So then we're going to go from the focus, I'm going to go up because the focus is at 3, that's why. So 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 6. So that was just a number I plugged in, and I knew I'd get a whole number there if I did something that was a perfect square. So there we go. That's a little bit of a more exact graph. And there you go. See you in the next video.